few films. Because whatever you come out with is a masterpiece, in itself. But मतलब क्या है ये reason इतना time wait करने का? Because you want to see more of your films.
A lot of people think I take a long holiday. That's not true. Actually, I wish I could get ready-made scripts, which I could just go out and shoot. I want to be only a director and just make films. But unfortunately, we don't get scripts. I do read scripts, but I don't feel very happy with what I get. So, and I'm very scared of going on the sets with a script I don't like. So the process of writing actually takes, I write with Abhijat, but we take a year and a half to write a film, then another year or little more to make. So the general gap has been 2.5 to 3 years between all my films. This one took a little longer than that. It's been 5 years now. But the whole thing is that I can't go on the sets with a script which I'm not happy with, which is not unusual in nature, which is not unique in nature. Because everything has been done. I don't want to make another film which is...
So you actually sit down on a desktop and you actually write a film? You actually do that?
You'll be surprised actually.
Okay, no, that's
because see, after I made MBBS, I'll tell you, somebody told me, पहली film तो आप बहुत सालों से लिख रहे होते हैं. Second film is always a challenge, and I got really scared. I said, "Oh God, will I ever be able to write my second film?" And I was hunting for stories. So I didn't take a single holiday. And the film was going to many places. I was getting invites from many places to visit festivals, and I was supposed to go to Australia at some festival, and I said, no, I can't go. I can't waste my time. I have to sit and work. So religiously, I would get up every morning, take a walk, think about the film, and literally work 10 to 12 hours every day on the script. I said, I have to make sure that my second film is not a disaster.
Exactly.
Second happened, but that thought stayed with me. I said, God, now what with the third one? So I spent same amount of time. After third, I decided, now after this third one, I'm going to take a holiday. And after 3 years, actually for 6 months, I just traveled. I traveled across. Wherever I got invited, I went. I took holidays. Then again, I said, God, now what do I do with the fourth one? So you won't believe for 4.5 years, actually not taken a holiday. And I have a writer with me, Abhijat Joshi, who's like 5 notches ahead of me in terms of at 4 in the morning we're still writing and I'm tired with the scene. And I would say, Abhijat, so jate hain, kal karenge. And he would say, 5 minutes? Can we spend 5 more minutes? And invariably in that 5 minutes at 4 in the morning, something would happen.
Yeah.
We would crack up a scene.
Wow. So basically that's what, so you actually work hard, and I think that's why the dedication and the passion shows up when you're up in the morning at 4 o'clock and still writing.
No, not up in the morning at 4 o'clock.
Like that?
You're going to sleep at 4. You're going to sleep at, you don't get up at.
Okay. I mean, you're also you are a you're a creator, and Amir Khan is also known for his perfection, for his professionalism. Working with him again, how was it? I mean, you thought that. I mean, what is the chemistry that you always wanted? Because you're a perfectionist yourself, and thinking of one more perfection coming in. I know it's going to be how mind टकराते हैं, थोड़ा tension होता है.
You have fights with Amir.
I am not digging in.
I'm getting to that.
Sir, I'm not digging in.
The boss gets to the point immediately.
मैंने थोड़ा अच्छे वर्ड में जाने की कोशिश की.
No, I'll tell you what, Amir is a joy to work with, and I'm not saying it just, I'm not being diplomatic, because it's very easy to work with somebody who understands cinema. He's a producer, director, actor, and somebody who understands cinema, it's always easy to work with. Amir's interference, what they say interference, is actually his involvement, which is considered as interference. In fact, I was telling somebody just now that when on the first day of 3 Idiots shoot, I was really worried that I've heard these stories about Amir that he interferes. What's going to happen? And to my joy, I realized we are bang on time, he's there, and even if he has to voice an opinion, he has a point of view about a scene or a line, he would walk up with tremendous amount of respect and say, यार मेरे को लगता है ये ऐसा बोले तो कैसा लगेगा, मेरे को लगता है कि इसको चेंज करें तो, and his last line always will be, पर तू देख ले, finally I don't want the vision of one man to change. It's your vision, so I don't want to change it. So he will offer a suggestion, but which everybody offers a suggestion. Your cameraman will offer you a suggestion, your sound recordist will offer you, your art director will offer you a suggestion, your assistants will offer you suggestions. So cinema is a collaborative art, and it's not like a painter who's sitting alone in a room and painting. I'm working with 500 people, so I'll be very foolish if I don't take the suggestions and make a film. I have to understand that the expertise comes from every department. As an actor, like there are many times I don't get satisfied with the takes. So 8 take hoga, 7 take honge, 10 take honge, 10th take I would say, now I got whatever. But an actor would still walk up to me and says, no, I think I have something within me which I can do better. So I would say, yeah, please do it. So that would happen with Amir, with Anushka, with everyone. Can we do one more? Can we do one more? So I should give everybody the freedom to do what. Exactly. So I actually prefer a team which gets involved rather than a team which is not involved and I'll say, okay, it's not interfering. No, I need an involved team. So Amir is an involved actor, which is a delight to work with.
Wow.
Yeah.
अब यहाँ पर कौन पी के आया है? जो भी कोई पी के आया है वो ऊपर कर सकता है. Okay.
चाय पी के आया क्या?
चाय पी के. Amir Khan's involvement. How was it with Sanjay Dutt?
See, Sanju, I'll tell you. Sanju, when I started working with Sanju, Sanju came into the film not even knowing what the role was. We had offered Sanju the role which Jimmy Shergill had played, if you remember that Jimmy Shergill's role, and the guy who's never touched a woman and this thing. So, and that time Shah Rukh was supposed to play this, then whatever happened, Shah Rukh wasn't there in the film. So Vinod called up Sanju and said, you're doing Munna Bhai. So he said, yeah, I'm doing Munna Bhai. So he said, no, you're not doing that role, you're doing the Munna Bhai main role. And Sanju said, oh God, now he didn't even want to listen to the script. He's a guy who goes completely from his heart. Then Vinod told him, he says, no, I can't give you that role, Jimmy Shergill's role, because वो तो ऐसे character का role है जिसने कभी एक लड़की को हाथ भी नहीं लगाया. You can't play that role. So you play this role, Munna Bhai's role. So Sanju came in reluctantly. He thought Vinod is forcing him to do this film, and he came in. So initial days it was, he would still come late. He would be, and I would be really worried. And it was my first film. I would hesitate to. I would message him. Then still he's not on time. Then sometimes I would call Vinod. Sanju has not come. Then Vinod would call Sanju up, and Sanju wouldn't pick his calls till he reaches the set. Once he's on the sets, then he'll call him back. Then he'll call him back. He says, "What happened?" Vinod, he says, "Yaar, tu set pe nahi pahuncha." He says, "Nahi, main set pe baitha hu." So, but with Sanju is this. These are small things. He's a joy. He's a delight. He's a good soul. आगे पीछे उसका कुछ एजेंडा नहीं है. जो है face पे, you can read him like that. But then as he went through the film, he realized that he was doing something which was special. So things changed. And I'm very fond of him. It was such a delight to have him on the shoot. He cancelled everything and he came and sat on the sets. I'll tell you one thing, we were rehearsing for Three Idiots 2 or 3 days before the shoot was to start. And I got a call from Sanju. He said, "Where are you?" At 11 at the night. "Where are you?" I said, "I'm sitting and rehearsing." So first he started laughing. He said, हाँ मेरे के साथ फिल्म बनाओ, अब तो रिहर्सल करनी पड़ेगी. You know, मेरे साथ रिहर्सल नहीं करनी पड़ती थी. Then he said, can I come and watch you all rehearse? So I said, come. 11:30 at night he came to office, sat there for next 2 hours, sitting in one corner in a film which is not there. He just sat there watching, and I saw his eyes were wet. And he didn't belong to the world. He says, "But you know, I'm here. I'm just missing Munna Bhai days." And there was something great about that man. So when I told him about this film, I was hesitating to tell him. It's a small role. He jumped up. He cancelled all his shoots and said, "I have to do this." And you can ask him. Nikki is my assistant on the film, and they used to all wait for Sanju to come. They will wait that Sanju will come on the sets, and there's brightness on the set.
Wow. So who's the PK2 now? Who wants to ask?
Congratulations for your fabulous career so far and being on the cover of Saudi. My question is when can we expect you to work with the other Khans? You've spoken about Amir and work with him. Anything in pipeline?
You know, actually, that would be the wrong way to actually begin a film by saying I'm going to make a film with all the 3 Khans. I think that's the wrong reason to make a film. The reason to make a film is you have a great script and you say, okay, this is a script I want to make, and who's the best person for this. So if I get a script someday, which is, I would definitely like to work with all of them and many more actors. But right now there's nothing which I actually have. If someday I get a script, I would love to. Salim Saab told me one very interesting thing one day. Salim Khan. He takes a walk on bandstand. So sometimes I go on bandstand just to walk with him because great words of wisdom come from him. So he said, in my entire life, people have come to me saying, "Sir, वो एक्टर की डेट मिल गई है, कुछ स्क्रिप्ट है? Sir, वो फाइनेंस का अरेंजमेंट हो गया, पैसे आ गए, कुछ स्क्रिप्ट है?" He said, "Nobody's ever come to me saying, सर मेरे पास एक ग्रेट आइडिया है, आप स्क्रिप्ट लिख सकते हैं क्या?" So I want to make films and I have a great idea, and not for any other reason.
Wow. But you know, sir, जैसे कहा जाता है कि and that too just 4 films old. How does it feel? I mean, what has been this journey like? With 4 films.
I would like to add the reason we gave the most wanted filmmaker was when we interview actors, we ask them which is the director you want to work on, and invariably maximum names, the name that they have taken was yours. So.
No, I feel humbled and I feel very scared after.
I'm
scared.
I'll end up taking more time because you're most wanted because you're taking time and doing the film you want. If you start doing more films, then you'll be not the most wanted.
Has the journey been very easy for you?
You'll say कि यार तो खराब फिल्म बना रहा है. So.
But sir, the journey हुई है जो
I feel humbled. I feel I'd never actually thought that.
That's so modest.
No, I'm seriously. My whole desire was to आओ एक फिल्म बनाओ यार. I came from Nagpur and whole thing was कि यार एक फिल्म बना ले बहुत हो जाएगा. And I still remember that day when MBBS released. I said I've lived my dream, got my dream. I was happy to see my parents watch that film. So all I guess is life's been kind यार. एक बनाने आए तो 4 बना ली.
और तो और 400 बनानी है सर. हम लाइफ
नहीं वो तो नहीं बनेगी.
मैं एक्चुअली श्रीविद्या की बात में ऐड करना चाहूंगी कि आप जब अपनी पीके की शूट कर रहे थे और आप दिल्ली में थे, आप कोई होटल में